Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Drishti, the third one.
Trial version.
This is not the only occasion. Uh,
Trial
this is
version.
not the only occasion that has run away from that Samir has run away from home. Ran away from home.
Trial version.
Samir has ran. Has and ran.
Run.
Run,
Trial
run,
Mom, I
version.
run.
wrote run.
Run, Drishti, run. Okay, but there is one small little thing. Binita, tell me, where did
Trial
Drishti go
version.
wrong?
This is this is not the first occasion
Correct.
Sami ran
Correct.
Trial
away
version.
from home.
This is not the first occasion. This is not the first occasion.
Trial version.
Drishti says that I would give it to her, but a better option would be when. Both are correct. This is not the
Trial
first
version.
occasion that Samir or when Samir has run away, has run, not has
Trial
ran,
version.
has run away from home. Okay, Arpita, the fourth one.
Although he looked
Trial
everywhere,
version.
he never found his wallet.
Perfect. Perfect. Although he looked
Trial
everywhere,
version.
he never found his wallet. Perfect. Ankita Datta.
Trial version.
You do not like ice cream as much as I do.
Trial version.
I don't like ice cream as much as you do. If A is greater than B, that means B is lesser than
Trial
A.
version.
Okay, Mayuk, what will be the answer?
Trial version.
You like ice cream more than I do.
Perfect. You like ice cream more than
Trial
I
version.
do. Got it, Ankita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rakesh, the
Trial
sixth one.
version.
Ma'am, I wish you
Trial
wouldn't
version.
have interrupted me all the time.
I wish you wouldn't.
Trial
Interrupted me
version.
all the time.
Wouldn't interrupted is wrong English.
Wouldn't have interrupted.
No. I wish
Trial
you
Okay, ma'am, I
version.
did
wouldn't
not.
interrupt. Simple. I wish you
Okay,
wouldn't
ma'am.
interrupt me all the time.
Okay,
Trial
ma'am.
Okay?
version.
Ankit Bose.
Trial version.
Yes, ma'am.
Number
Trial
7.
version.
I wish they had not
Trial
eaten all the
version.
food.
Correct. I wish they had not eaten all the food. Subham,
Trial
number
version.
8.
Ma'am, I
Trial
have written
version.
something else. Can I say it?
Yeah, go on, Anupriya.
Ma'am, I have written I wish that they should be shamed on themselves
Trial
as
No,
version.
they ate all the
no,
food.
no. You said they should be shamed.
Yes, ma'am.
Trial
Then it
version.
would be, I wish they should be ashamed.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, what a
Okay,
shame.
ma'am.
Trial
But you know,
version.
here it's not about, it is something being ashamed. Here, what a shame means, it's what a pity.
Trial version.
So I wish they had not. But if you want to use the word shame, you should say, should be
Trial
ashamed.
version.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The next one. Who was supposed to say the next one? Did I
Trial
mention
version.
any name? No, I think.
Trial version.
Aditi,
Yes, ma'am, you did.
whom did I say?
Ma'am, I think Mayuk.
No, Mayuk has answered.
Trial
Mayuk has
version.
answered. Rakesh has answered. Ankit has answered. Aditi,
Ma'am, Shubham. Yes.
Subham. Yes, yes. Subham, can you hear
Trial
me?
version.
Aditi, tell me number 9.
Trial version.
Despite leaving the house early, he arrived late.
Trial version.
Aditi,
He arrived very late. He arrived very late. Ma'am, there's a comma.
please say where is the
Trial
comma,
version.
ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, despite leaving the house early, comma, he arrived very late.
Perfect.
Trial
Despite
version.
leaving the house early, comma, he arrived very late. Okay. Saina,
Trial version.
Saina,
Yes, ma'am.
Trial version.
number 9.
Trial version.
Can't give you so much of time. If it's done, you
Trial
should be able to
version.
tell me. Vijay Lakshmi?
So
Trial
long as
version.
you pay the rent regularly, comma, you can stay in the flat.
Perfect. Perfect. So long as you pay the
Trial
rent
version.
regularly, comma, you can stay in the flat. Number 10, Amrita.
Trial version.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, children,
Trial
please
version.
note one thing. In the instruction, there is one thing that the book has printed
Trial
wrong.
version.
They have given a comma after job. It cannot be. It's wrong. If the if was before,
Trial
then there
version.
should be a comma. Please strike it off. There cannot be a comma there. Now tell me.
Trial version.
I won't take the job if the salary is less.
Please keep it to
Trial
good
version.
and tell me. They might not give you for less.
Ma'am,
Change
the-
that into
Trial
the
version.
negative using good. So I won't take the job if the salary.
is bad.
No, keep
Trial version.
Not good.
correct, Tamanna. If the salary is not good, don't say isn't, Anubhav. Council does
Trial
not
version.
accept abbreviations. Okay, is not. Anubhav, tell me the first preposition. The
Trial
car
version.
battery has run. I think I had told you one day we were doing all these. It means
Trial
exhausted.
version.
Anubhav, fast.
Ma'am, out.
No.
Trial version.
What will it be? Ankita Dasgupta?
Mom, down.
Okay, it has run down.
Trial version.
Tamanna, number 2, the poor beggar was run.
Trial version.
Mom, the poor beggar was run.
Are you
Trial
asking?
version.
Come on, this is the easiest one. The truck comes, the poor beggar was run.
Trial version.
We even say this normally when we are speaking. Even in Bengali, even in Hindi, we use it.
Trial version.
Arey, whatever ho gaya. What is that?
Trial
Vinita?
version.
Ma'am,
Mom,
over.
Vinita?
Ma'am, over.
Trial version.
Yeah, run over. Saina, number 3.
Trial version.
So, he drew me.
Trial version.
Saina.
Trial version.
Let's see.
Ma'am, for an agreement.
Trial version.
Sorry?
For an agreement.
No, it's not an agreement, first of all. It's an argument. Shuprati, what is the
Trial
answer?
version.
Into an argument.
Sorry?
Into an argument.
Into an argument, correct. He drew
Trial
me into
version.
an argument. Attodeep, number 4.
Trial version.
Attodeep,
Trial version.
Kapish,
Trial version.
Kapish, can you hear me?
Trial version.
Shinjini, what is number 4?
Trial version.
Mom, up.
He has drawn up a plan for us.
Trial version.
Okay. Number 5. Who wants to answer number 5? Tamanna?
Trial version.
Ma'am, for him.
Oh, lovely,
Trial
lovely,
version.
Saina. Thank you. I have no sympathy for him. Okay. Tamanna, number 6.
Ma'am,
Trial
we
version.
sympathized over her in her tragedy.
No. No.
Ma'am, with her.
Trial version.
With her, yes, Brishti. We sympathize with somebody and you sympathize for somebody. Sympathy for somebody.
Trial version.
Okay, what will be number 7? Anybody? Anupriya.
Trial version. Trial version.
Anupriya?
On.
Sorry, he keeps getting?
On me.
No.
Trial
No.
version.
Against.
Ma'am, at.
Correct, Sonu. He keeps getting at me. What is the meaning
Trial
of getting
version.
at? Picking up a quarrel. Always kind of, drawing me into a quarrel or a fight.
Trial version.
Okay. Attodeep, can you hear me?
Trial version.
Sakshi, tell me number 8.
Trial version.
Sakshi,
Ma'am, I could not do this one.
you couldn't do that. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ankit Chaudhary,
Ma'am, can I try this?
try Anupriya.
Ma'am, off.
He got?
Trial
Off the
version.
shop.
No, yeah.
Ma'am, through.
Ma'am, is it over?
Yes,
over.
it's over. You get over something. You get over
Trial
a heartbreak. You get over a shock. Okay. Okay, number 9.
Trial version.
Number 9. What?
With.
Huh?
Ma'am, with.
Going,
With.
yes, I'm not going with a dress. Going with means
Trial
they're not
version.
matching. Correct. And what will be number 10?
About.
Trial version.
Going about. No.
Ma'am, around.
Around.
Going around, yes. The infection is going around this
Trial
time of
version.
the year. Now, I want somebody, whoever takes it up, will tell me all the tenses one by one. And wherever you're
Trial
going wrong,
version.
I'll tell you. Who wants to take it up? I'll leave it to you. Trust. Start, Vrishti.
Trial
Ma'am,
version.
worked,
Worked. Number 2.
thought,
Correct. Number 3.
was,
Trial version.
Number 4.
seemed,
Number 5.
had,
Huh?
Trial version.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah, had. Number 6.
disappeared,
Okay, have you written the spelling of
version.
disappeared correctly, Brishti? Otherwise, you'll get a 0. 1S double P.
ma'am, double S,
Ah, where
Trial
is double
version.
S? I knew. See, I know her from the old days. When it completely
Trial
disappeared,
version.
1S double P. Otherwise, the mark will also disappear, dear. Okay, number 7.
published,
Correct.
version.
Number 8.
wrote,
Okay. Number 9.
was,
Correct.
Trial
Lived.
version.
Correct. Very good. Only one
Thank you,
wrong.
ma'am.
So, children, I think you have been able to take down all the
Trial
answers, all of you. So, let's go back to dolphins.
Trial version.
Where are the others? Let me just take the attendance quickly. Then I'll go on to
Trial
dolphins.
version.
Why are so many people not there? Wait, just a minute.
Trial version.
Why hasn't Ahana joined today?
Trial version. Trial version.
Okay.
Trial
Ananya,
version.
is she here? No. Srinjoy,
Trial
no.
version.
Sonu, yes. Arpita, yes. Aditi, yes. Binita, yes. Anubhav, yes. Mayuk, yes.
Trial version.
Shreya, is Shreya here? I don't think. Huh? No, she's not here.
No, ma'am.
Trial version.
Subham is here. Sakshi is here. Adrija is here. Anupriya is here. Ankita Dasgupta is here. Priyangshu is
Trial
absent.
version.
Shinjini is here. Amrita is here. Ankit Bose is here. Tamanna is here. Akshat, I think, is absent today.
Trial version.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Brishti is here. Dibbojyoti is here. Kapish is here. Ankita
Trial version.
DG is here. Shuprotip is here. Ahana absent. Vijay Lakshmi here. Rakesh is here. Is Debolina here?
Trial version.
No, ma'am.
Urjashi said she will not be
Trial
joining.
version.
She's not well. Is Deepika here?
No, ma'am.
No.
Trial
Ankit
version.
Chaudhary is here. Attodip is here. Saina is here. Is Pratyusha here?
No, ma'am.
Trial version.
Oritrabhu, are you still here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Trial version.
Why?
Ma'am, Subham is not here.
Subham has left.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, then maybe he has some network problem. Fine.
Trial
I'll just
version.
mark him absent. Chalo. I think we will be
Trial
doing the
version.
last stanza today, right? But before that, I said I will simply go back to that last 2 lines and
Trial
we'll start
version.
from there. There's a colored ball we have to balance till the moon has disappeared. Now,
Trial version.
would anyone want to explain these last two lines to me once more and to the class?
Trial version.
Brishti, why don't you try? Try.
Trial version.
Wherever you are fumbling, I'll help you out. Don't worry.
Trial
What does the
version.
color ball represent? You don't have to simply, and please don't tell me what I've given you to write. Don't give me that dictation back.
Trial
I know what
version.
I've given you. So you have to explain in your own words. Anyone here willing to do that? I think Binita wants
Trial
to.
version.
Right, Binita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Go on.
And the colored ball here represents
Trial
the
version.
sun.
No,
The
no. It does not represent the sun.
moon,
Trial
moon,
version.
the moon.
Correct.
The colored ball represents the moon. The moon for the
Trial version.
dolphins means freedom, because at night the dolphins used to travel long
Trial
distances
version.
on the sea, and at that time the moon was with them. But now the dolphins have been trapped in this aquarium,
Trial
and
version.
they are given only a colored ball in place of that natural moon.
So it
Trial
is a
version.
substitute. And this substitute is absolutely what kind of a substitute? It is a mockery of your
Trial
existence.
version.
You can call the colored ball as a mockery, which is mocking at the existence
Trial
of the
version.
dolphins. Somebody takes your basic right away. Okay, your basic
Trial
right to
version.
express yourselves. Locks you up in a cage. We have all done that poem, remember? I know how the caged bird
Trial
sings.
version.
We all know that, and Shinjini would be knowing it even better. We had enacted it all out. Remember, in
Trial
class
version.
10, we had done that. So, we know the plight of a caged bird when you are unable to. So, what does it do? It tries to
Trial
sing out.
version.
Its basic rights have been curbed. Similarly, here, the colored ball represents the
Trial
basic
version.
rights which have been curbed from the dolphin. And what is that basic right? The right to liberty.
Trial version.
So the colored ball is a symbol of mockery, which tries to represent the moon,
Trial
but it
version.
cannot take the place of the moon, because the moon is a symbol of natural freedom. Whereas
Trial
the
version.
colored ball symbolizes what? It symbolizes torture and dominance of man over
Trial
animals.
version.
Clear? Is it clear now? Thank you so much, Binita. Let's go to the last answer then.
Trial version.
The moon has disappeared. The moon has disappeared.
Trial version.
It's a repetition of the last bit. The man has disappeared till the
Trial
man has
version.
disappeared, but the moon has disappeared. Look at the difference. There is a colored
Trial
ball we
version.
have to balance till the man has disappeared. But for the man, he will come back again
Trial
to
version.
torture them. It's only a temporary, please write down this word. Many of you would know it actually.
Trial
Still,
version.
just a minute.
Trial version.
The man's disappearance is a temporary respite.
Trial
What is the
version.
meaning of the word respite? What does respite mean?
Trial version.
Any idea? Shinjini, yes?
Relief.
Correct. Very good. It's a
Trial
temporary relief for the dolphins that he has disappeared. But the irony is the man's going to
Trial
come
version.
back. Whereas in the very next line, he says, the moon has disappeared. This is
Trial
permanent.
version.
And here, the moon is a symbol of something. What does it symbolize?
Trial version.
Natural joy, natural happiness,
version.
and their freedom, unlimited freedom. The moon
Trial
represents unlimited freedom, natural joy. It has disappeared. After the word disappeared, therefore,
Trial
I want
version.
you to just write the word permanently. The moon has disappeared permanently, and in
Trial
its
version.
place, we have been given a substitute in the form of the colored ball, which can never substitute for a
Trial
moon.
version.
So he says, we circle well-worn grooves of
Trial
water
version.
on a single note. We circle well-worn groove. Please underline that
Trial
entire
version.
bit, circling well-worn groove, and write down. The dolphins keep on traveling. The dolphins
version.
keep on traveling within the same space again and
Trial
again.
version.
The dolphins keep on traveling within the same space again
Trial version.
and again. Put an arrow. Just write a word.
Trial version.
Monotony. Just think about it. You just have
Trial
the four
version.
walls of your room. You're locked up there. So what are you doing? What is your world now? Your
Trial
world
version.
is you're going round and round and round the room, but there's no change. Your life won't change.
Trial version.
It's the same thing. It's that small little room, maybe 8 feet by 8 feet or 10 feet by 8 feet or whatever it
version.
is. So we circle the well-worn. Why does he say well-worn? Because we know every nook and
Trial
corner
version.
of the aquarium now. Every bit and part of the aquarium has been explored
Trial
by
version.
us. Or in other words, that means there is nothing that remains to be explored by us.
Trial
We know
version.
it. We know every corner of that water. We know every single nook of that aquarium.
version.
Whereas, if we were in the ocean, every single wave that would come and meet
Trial
us
version.
would be like a new challenge. It would be like a new adventure. So we circle the
version.
well-worn grooves of water on a single note. Underline the expression single
Trial
note.
version.
Now, single note refers to, you all must have heard the sound of a whistle,
Trial
right?
version.
You know, when somebody blows a whistle, you know one thing, that there is only one particular tone in
Trial
it.
version.
You cannot make a music out of a whistle. It's just one shrill screech. Can you
Trial
play
version.
music in a whistle? I don't know. I don't think you can. The whistle that the policemen or, these people who
Trial
come to
version.
collect the garbage, they blow. So here the single note means the whistle that is blown.
Trial version.
Now here, I
Trial
want to
version.
say something. I said it's a single note. Single note means what?
Trial version.
There is no, can you give me that word? Single note of the whistle. That means there
Trial
is no
version.
dash in their life.
Variation.
Okay.
music.
Trial version.
Correct. Music, variation, harmony.
Trial version.
There is no variation, there is no music, there is no harmony in their life. It is like,
Trial version.
just as their life is monotonous, the music is also in a monotone.
Trial version.
The music is also in a monotone. There is only one tone in that whistle blown. Try to
Trial
blow a
version.
whistle, you'll find only that one screech. It does not have any other tone in that. The tonal quality is the same.
Trial version.
So who blows the whistle? The man. So the moment the man blows the whistle, we keep on circling round and
Trial
round and
version.
round and round. And what do we find? We find economic students know this term very well. The vicious circle.
Trial version.
It's a vicious circle. You are caught in that vicious circle, out of
Trial
which
version.
it is impossible to escape. So the situation
version.
is inescapable, not unescapable. It's inescapable
Trial
situation.
version.
You can't do anything about it. Understood up to this, all of you?
Trial
Now
version.
he says, music of loss forever from the other's heart, which turns
Trial
my
version.
own to stone. Music of loss forever.
Trial
It's a
version.
very beautiful way and a very poignant manner in which he tries to compare the sound of the
Trial
whistle.
version.
He says that the sound of the whistle brings out, do you know this word?
Trial version. Trial version.
You know this word. What does it mean?
Trial version.
Ma'am, elicits means to
version.
express or. Ma'am? Ma'am?
Trial version. Trial version. Trial version.
Ma'am?
Trial version. Trial version. Trial version. Trial version. Trial version. Trial version. Trial version.
Yes, I'm finally back. Back like a bad penny. Can you hear
Trial
me now?
version.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Trial
your-
version.
Can you hear me?
Trial version.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Finally.
Trial version.
I don't know why my network at times tries my patience. Okay, so what I was saying is that you are saying something. Yes.
Trial version.
Tell me.
Ma'am, it evokes, elicits means it evokes or obtains
Yeah,
something.
Trial
no,
version.
not obtain.
Like,
to
ma'am,
issue.
evokes. Yes.
To evoke, to issue forth. Correct. So here I said
Trial
that
version.
music of loss means when you're blowing a whistle, this whistle elicits a kind of a monotonous music.
Trial
And
version.
he tries to identify that music with the emptiness of life. Please underline, therefore, music
Trial
of
version.
loss and write down. It implies the emptiness of their life. You know, my
Trial
life has
version.
become hollow. That's that music. That is what that music tries to issue forth. It just
Trial
tries to evoke a sense of emptiness, a sense of numbness, a sense of
Trial
meaninglessness.
version.
Music of loss forever from the other's heart, which turns my
Trial
own
version.
to stone. Which turns my own. After the word own, put an arrow, and what will you write there?
Trial version.
It turns my own heart. Correct. It turns
Trial
my own
version.
heart to stone. Underline the word stone and write. I feel numbed.
Trial
I
version.
feel numbed. I'm completely numbed. All my
Trial
emotions
version.
have been taken away. So what is the meaning of this line? Remember, I told you the two dolphins,
Trial
they work
version.
in sync with each other. SYNC, not SINK.
Trial
Okay,
version.
they work in sync with each other. That means there is complete, I even gave you that word, camaraderie.
Trial
So
version.
what happens is the female dolphin is the mirror of the male dolphin. If I have to take it in my way, you can
Trial
change the
version.
gender. That's up to you. So here what happens is he says, I have become so
Trial
numb.
version.
At times, you know what happens is we become so numb, you don't even feel the pain.
Trial version.
You are not even capable of feeling the pain. Your heart has become cold. Your heart has become frozen.
Trial version.
And then what happens is the person on the other side shakes you and tells you, you have to cry.
Trial version.
You have to feel the pain. So what happens is I realize that there is pain because the pain is being transmitted
version.
from the heart of my female partner. Because I have become numbed. I
Trial
don't feel
version.
anything anymore. I think you can understand what I'm trying to say. You know, when you have been going through this pain for
Trial
a very
version.
long time, a time comes when you stop feeling it.
Trial
You don't
version.
feel it anymore. Maybe the female dolphin is still kind of, she still has some hope. She
Trial
still has
version.
some hope that one day they might escape. But the male dolphin or the narrator has completely
Trial
given up.
version.
He has no hope, no future, nothing. Remember the story from your class 10,
Trial version.
sitting at the pontoon bridge. looking completely blank and saying, I've nowhere to
Trial
go.
version.
So, that's the kind of a sense of resignation. We can call it a sense
Trial
of
version.
resignation when you give up on everything. So, even the pain of loss,
Trial version.
even the loss of identity, even the melancholia, everything
Trial version.
you try to feel through the other person. The other person transmits it into
Trial
your
version.
heart. So, music of loss forever from the other's heart, which turns my own to
Trial
stone.
version.
There is a plastic toy. There is a plastic toy.
Trial version.
Now, again, another symbol. Toys are given to children. Remember, Fritz, a
Trial
toy is
version.
given to a child so that a child can spend a quality time during his childhood with the toy. He can enjoy.
Trial
The
version.
dolphin says, oh yes, the man has given us a toy, a plastic toy. But
Trial version.
a dolphin, such a lively creature, should have something better to play with.
Trial version.
What is it that they should have? The water to play with, the waves to play with, the other
Trial
fish to
version.
play with, his family to play with, not a plastic toy. So please underline plastic toy and
Trial
write
version.
down. Another symbol of indignity. Another symbol
Trial
of
version.
indignity heaped upon such a graceful creature.
Trial version.
Another symbol of indignity heaped upon, HEAPED,
Trial
heaped
version.
upon such a graceful creature.
Trial version.
There's a plastic toy. There are hoops. There is a colored
Trial
ball.
version.
But they are not for entertainment of us. They are to entertain others.
Trial version.
There is no hope. He ultimately admits, I'm
Trial
writing a
version.
word here, take it down, and tell me what it means. He says, the situation is,
Trial version.
what does it mean?
Trial version.
Ma'am, it cannot be changed.
Correct. Irrevocable
Trial
means the
version.
situation can never be changed. Please note it, all of you. The dolphin finally understands
Trial
that the
version.
situation that they are in cannot be changed. The monotony
Trial
cannot be
version.
changed. Liberty is now a far cry. It's a distant cry. In fact,
Trial
it's not
version.
there anymore. The word liberty does not feature in their vocabulary or dictionary anymore. They have
Trial
given it
version.
up. So there is no hope. We sink. We sink. Just underline
Trial
the word
version.
sink. Sinking is a downward movement. We know that. And here,
Trial version.
this sink movement is a symbol of defeat. They have accepted defeat.
Trial version.
You have just given up. We sink. We don't
Trial
rise.
version.
Have you ever seen him saying we rise? There's actually a poem when I'm talking about it.
Trial
There's a
version.
poem by Maya Angelou which says, I rise. From the ashes of something, it's a beautiful
Trial
poem
version.
where she says, I rise. Everything said and done, I rise. But here he says, I've given
Trial
up my
version.
hope. So we sink to the limits of this pool until the whistle blows.
Trial version.
There is a man, and our mind knows we will die here.
Trial
We will
version.
die here. So what is our condition? We are doomed. We are the doomed entities.
Trial version.
Nothing will change. We know there is a man, but this man is not
Trial
our
version.
friend. This man is not our savior. This man is not our God. He's the tyrant.
Trial version.
And our mind knows, we know it, that we will die here. Now, come back to the second
Trial
last
version.
line. Until the whistle blows. Please underline and write. It is an
Trial
idiomatic
version.
expression. It is an idiomatic expression
Trial version.
which means that it is an idiomatic expression which means that
Trial version.
this kind of cruelty this kind of cruelty will
Trial
continue.
version.
This kind of cruelty will continue till somebody,
Trial version.
this kind of cruelty will continue till somebody exposes
Trial
it,
version.
till somebody exposes it for what it is.
Trial
Till
version.
somebody exposes it for what it is. That is what we call as a
Trial
whistleblower. Who is a whistleblower? A whistleblowing means when you are exposing a situation to the whole
Trial
world.
version.
So here he says, we will sink until the whistle blows. So until the whistle blows means
Trial version.
until the world rises to the realization that animals are not to be
Trial
used
version.
as agents of oppression. The situation will remain like this.
Trial
At least,
version.
one way we know nowadays, if you have gone to the circus, I don't know when I last went to the circus, in most
Trial
circuses,
version.
the performance of animals are banned. Most animals. Like you can't perform with a lion, tiger,
version.
bear, and other creatures. The smaller animals are still there, but you cannot kind of, use them as
Trial
animals of
version.
captivity. So maybe the whistle has been blown. So this is the dolphins.
Trial version.
This is the dramatic monologue, the drama arising out of the conflicting
Trial
situation
version.
where two dolphins are caught in complete subjugation, in complete captivity by a
Trial
man.
version.
And this is not the only man. This is a common situation happening to all the animals across the world.
Trial
And
version.
here, what Carol and Duffy actually wants to say is that it is just not about dolphins.
Trial version.
It's a metaphor of life where the condition of the dolphins
version.
extends to any kind of humanity that has been suffering in the hands of
version.
the higher class. We have done Shylock, Merchant of Venice. When you prick us,
Trial
do we
version.
not bleed? That's the thing. This will continue. The class discrimination
version.
will continue. The hierarchical order will continue. Act 1, Scene 1, Tempest.
Trial
Do you
version.
know who you have on board the ship? So you know what happens is with everything put
Trial
together,
version.
this is the basic picture of the dolphins talking about subjugation, tyranny, and oppression.
Trial version.
And the poem talks about, there is no optimism in the poem. It talks about hopelessness. It
Trial
talks
version.
about despair. It talks about futility. It talks about loss. And the
Trial
situation
version.
can only be revoked only when man wakes up and realizes that we are all.
Trial version.
Okay? That's about my
Trial
dolphins.
version.
Now you will have to tell me where you have not understood. I'll give you time. Go through this
Trial
poem.
version.
Next Tuesday when we meet, please let me know. And next Tuesday, be ready with your literature notebooks. I'll first give you the
Trial
answer to
version.
dolphins. Then we'll proceed aram se with Act 3. We just have Act 3 and we have the
Trial
Chinese
version.
statue. I mean, Chinese statue, there's nothing much to explain. Archer is better to be kind of, read. Jeffrey
Trial
Archer is
version.
always kind of, read alone. It's something that we don't enjoy like this anyway. We'll do that. So these are the only two things that are
Trial
left.
version.
Is it clear to all of you overall? Have you got the idea of the dolphins?
Trial
Yes.
version.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay then.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye. See you. Take care. Enjoy the winter
version.
chill. See you next Tuesday. And please, Mondays and Thursdays,
Trial version.
please send me the attendance without me asking for that. Ankit Bose, Anubhav
Trial
Poira,
version.
please. Why do I have to write every time? Attendance? It's
Trial
almost
version.
like, I look like a